myself Bharti. I am a mathematics teacher. Today we shall discuss some important facts of mathematics. Usually I feel that students getting confused between some geometrical terms, basic geometrical terms, like they are confused between line and line segment, they are confused between array and line, and so on. With that context, we shall discuss some basic concepts today. Right? First of all, we shall start with point. What is point here? Point is what? Point is the exact location. Exact location is point. This is point. This is point. Okay? How shall we describe this? A point is a dimensionless term. It has no length, it has no breadth, it is a dimensionless term. For example, can you give some examples of a point? Like I have a pencil. Its pointed tip of this pencil is an example of point. And another example is tip of compass. Tip of compass is also an example of a point. Okay? Besides this we can take, if we want to locate something on map, if we want to locate the states on the map, how do we locate? We use points. We use points. Fine? We use points to locate the different states on the map. So point is a dimensionless term. Besides this, what is between my brows? This is also an example of point. Okay? And how we denote the point? For example, point A like this, point B, point C, point P, point Q, and so on. Next we shall move to ray. What is ray? Ray is a part of line segment. It is a part of line segment and it is written as like this. This is ray. Means it has one endpoint and it extends extremely in one direction. It has only one endpoint and this is a part of a line. So what is the example of ray? For example, we have sun rays. Sun rays, this is also example of ray, that is the one endpoint of ray is sun and it extends extremely, it spreads extremely on the ground. So it has no endpoint, its rays has no endpoints. So sun rays is also an example of ray, or we can say laser light or rays of projector. These all are the example of ray. And how we denote ray? For example, this is A and this is B. So we shall write ray AB like this. Ray AB. This is the right way to write ray AB. If we write BA like this is the wrong way. This is the wrong way. Okay? Ray AB means its endpoint is A and it extends extremely in on the other side. So this is the right way to write AB, ray AB. Ray can be in any form, it can be in vertical form also. This is ray also, this is point source, this is P and this is Q. So how shall we write it? We shall write it ray QP. This is the right way because the endpoint is Q and it extends extremely on the other side. So we shall write ray QP. We cannot write it like ray PQ. This is the wrong way to write this ray PQ. Fine? Next, we shall discuss about line segment. We shall discuss about line segment. Line segment is also a part of line. It has two endpoints. This is line. This is line and we write it line AB. This is line segment, sorry. This is line segment. It has two endpoints. One endpoint is A and the another endpoint is B. Fine. And can you give some examples of line segment? For example, take this duster. It has two endpoints, first endpoint and the second endpoint. So edge of this duster is an example of a line segment. Another example is you can take the one edge of this paper, first end and the second end. So this is a line segment. This is an example of line segment. We can also take an example, for example scale. We have a scale, it's one endpoint and it's another endpoint. This is also an example of a line segment. we shall move to line. Line is what? A line is one dimensional and it extends extremely in both the directions. Suppose this is point A and this is point B. So it has no end point, it has length, but it has no breadth. Fine. This is a line, and how do we write a line? The way of writing a line means line AB. We shall denote it like this. Arrow will be placed on both the sides because it extends extremely indefinitely in both the directions. So this is a right way. We can also write it like line BA also. This is also a correct way to write this line because it extends indefinitely in the both directions. So we can write it line AB and we can write it also a line BA. Fine. Now we shall discuss some more facts about geometry in our next lecture. Thank you.